So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you all the gestures of the AirPods Pro 2. Now, for some of you who've owned previous versions of AirPods before, this might also be a recap, of course with a few extra things and features of the new AirPods Pro 2s. So these AirPods are connected to this iPhone, and let's get started. So the reason I'm placing this AirPod on my palm is so that the sensor can detect that it's close to skin and the AirPod thinks it's in my ear. Anyway, so the first category of gestures is when playing music, which is what most of you will be doing with the AirPods. So one squeeze like this will play and pause music, as you can see. So one squeeze to play and one squeeze to pause the music. And then next you have the double squeeze, and the double squeeze basically takes you to the next song. So if you double squeeze, there you go, next song, next song, and that's what the double squeeze does. It takes you to the next song. So a triple squeeze, when you squeeze 3 times, it starts the song again. So as you can see, for instance, this song has been playing for some time, and when you triple squeeze on the AirPods, the song will start afresh, as you can see. Now you can also squeeze the stem 4 times, and 4 times basically takes you to the previous song. So let's go ahead and press 4 times. There you go, takes you to the previous song. Once again, to the previous song, to the previous song once again. Now with the AirPods Pro 2s, you can actually adjust the volume by swiping down or swiping up on the AirPods. So if you take a good look at the volume slider here, you can see that if I slide up, I can actually increase volume, and if I swipe down, I can reduce volume. So swipe up and swipe down, and that will adjust the volume when I'm playing music. And this works for both Apple Music and Spotify. And then of course you have the good old squeeze and hold, and that will change between noise cancelling and transparency on the earbuds. But for some reason, the earbuds know they're not in my ear, so I'll put them on and do exactly what I just demonstrated. So squeeze and hold, that enables noise cancellation. Squeeze and hold again, that takes you into transparency mode. Now by default, the press and hold or squeeze and hold feature only changes you from noise cancelling all the way to transparency, and then back from transparency to noise cancelling. Never this feature by default. But if you want to, you can toggle this feature on so that squeezing and holding the AirPods will cycle between the 3 options. And to do that, simply go to the press and hold AirPods category, tap on either of them, and then you can enable that as well. And that will activate it for both the left and the right earbuds, as you can see. So now when I put them back in my ears and then squeeze and hold, I can go to the off mode, noise cancelling, transparency, and back to off. So that's how you can get all the 3 options by squeezing and holding the AirPods. So that's music. Now the next thing I want to show you is the AirPod gestures when managing phone calls. All right. So let's say you have the AirPods in your ear and then a phone call comes in. So if you have incoming calls, as you can see, then to receive the phone call, all you need to do is pinch once. That receives the phone call, and now you can speak via the AirPods, as you can see. And once you're done with your conversation, then you can go ahead and squeeze again to end that phone call. Now, in case there's an incoming call that you want to reject, then all you have to do is squeeze twice. and that call will be rejected just like that. So it's a quick double press, and that call will be rejected. So those are the default gestures of your AirPods Pro 2s. But of course, you can customize some of the gestures. For instance, if you go into settings on your iPhone and then go to your AirPods, you can actually customize the press and hold options for the left and right AirPods. So for instance, if you choose left, you can actually make the left AirPod enable Siri when you press and hold it. So once you do that, let me pick up my left AirPod. You can easily activate Siri by pressing and holding the left AirPod. There you go. So there is Siri activated. And now you can ask Siri questions through the AirPods and it's going to answer through the same AirPods. So that's just a bonus tip for AirPod gestures. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.